Welcome back to Luxury Car. Today we're diving deep into a car that's been turning heads globally. Get ready, because we're talking about the Maserati MC20, a car that redefines Italian engineering and style, balancing breathtaking design and next-level performance in one incredible package. The Maserati MC20 is a visual masterpiece, and its looks alone command attention. This supercar has been carefully crafted with a blend of elegance and aggression. From its butterfly doors to its aerodynamic body lines, the MC20's design is all about efficiency and speed. And that sleek carbon fiber body? It's both lightweight and incredibly strong, optimizing performance without compromising aesthetics. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the MC20 is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 Nettuno engine, Maserati's first in-house engine in over 2 decades. This twin-turbo engine produces an impressive 621 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds. That's enough power to keep pace with even the best in the supercar world. And let's not forget the top speed of over 200 miles per hour. Step inside, and the luxury doesn't end. Maserati didn't just focus on the outside. The interior is all about creating an immersive driving experience. Every detail feels luxurious, from the premium Alcantara and carbon fiber to the sleek, minimalistic dashboard. The MC20 also boasts a dual-screen setup, providing drivers with essential information and entertainment without distraction. And of course, it's loaded with the latest tech, like Maserati's intelligent assistant and full connectivity to keep you linked on the go. But power is nothing without control, and the MC20's handling is second to none. Thanks to its lightweight construction and a finely tuned suspension system, the MC20 offers precise handling that makes you feel one with the car. Whether you're on a racetrack or winding mountain roads, the MC20's grip and agility are remarkable. It's as if the car anticipates your every move, delivering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and controlled. In terms of competition, the MC20 holds its own against some heavyweights in the supercar arena, models like the Ferrari F8 Tributo, the Porsche 911 Turbo S, and even the McLaren Artura. But Maserati has carved out a unique space with the MC20, offering a balance of power, luxury, and Italian styling that gives it a distinct personality in a crowded market. And what's exciting is Maserati's commitment to innovation doesn't stop here. The MC20 is just the beginning of Maserati's push into the future, with plans for an all-electric version, the MC20 Folgore. This move reflects the brand's vision for a sustainable future while still maintaining that raw performance we love. The Maserati MC20 is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. A fusion of Italian elegance, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance engineering that takes Maserati into a new era. So, what do you think? Is the MC20 the ultimate supercar experience? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Maserati MC20, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Luxury Car for more exclusive content, and tap that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.